impression of this, you know, uh, ambivalent matter, if I can call it that, ambiguous matter, if I can call it that? Shamsharish,
Yes.
what is your first
Uh,
impression of this ambiguous matter?
I would agree to what Miss Brinda has said, that it's not a 15 years old girl set herself on fire, and after a few days when the father comes up and says that no no one was involved in the matter and she was mentally ill and all, that is something that bring suspicious in the mind, that it's not easy for a father to come after many days and then tell it to the court. Had it been, it was the fact that she was mentally ill, it would have been the first statement that yes, she was mentally ill. And in fact the neighbors and the relatives of the family also would have made the similar statement. But here it's the father. But let the investigation come up more. And since we have read it in the news that she made her dying declaration also in the hospital in Bhubaneswar as well as here in Delhi. So let that statement come out. Let us see that what she has exactly said. And since a dying declaration also requires signature of the doctor and two more witnesses over there, so only then we would be able to know that what exactly is the status. But yes, looking into the fact that she was a educated girl and a 15 years old girl, what was the reason, why did she killed herself? She poured diesel or whatever on herself, and whether it was it was diesel, so how did she get that get that diesel? Everything comes into the picture, because it's not easy for a 15 years old kid to get, and especially a girl. Had it been a boy, he could make an excuse that I have to refill my scooty, or my father's has said, and petrol pump actually give them fuel, stating that he's a boy, he can do all of these things. Since the parents of the kids also, especially boys, they ask the boys to get the fuel. But for a girl, no. The So all of that would come under the investigation. And what was her mental state, whether she was harassed in a school or not. I mean, everything has to come up, and what was the exact story, because we have just read bits here and there on the news channel or on the Twitter. But unless and until the complete facts of the case are out, it would be very vague for all of us to speak on it and comment so much on it.
All
Thank you.
right,